and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we'll talk about parents and children. So let's get started. A question that could be asked is, should parents reward their children when they help others? You could say, yes, parents should consider rewarding their children for helping others, as it encourages positive behavior. Or, offering rewards to children when they assist others can be an effective way to cultivate a sense of altruism and empathy. What can children help parents with? Children can help parents with household chores, running errands, and even caring for younger siblings. Or, children can actively participate in tasks such as household chores, running errands, and assisting in the care of younger siblings. What are the benefits of children helping their parents? Children learning responsibility and empathy are some of the benefits of helping parents. Or, the advantages of children assisting their parents include fostering a sense of responsibility and nurturing empathy and teamwork. Do parents help children because they need their help when they are old? Yes, parents may require help from their children as they grow older, just as children needed help when they were young. It's true that parents may seek assistance from their children in their old age, mirroring the care and support children receive during their early years. Okay, so that's all the questions. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me. It's intended to give you an insight into the topic at hand. So the dynamics of parent-child relationships, the importance of children helping parents, and the positive impacts of individuals and families. Children are supportive partners, nurturing strong bonds and instilling life skills. They teach values and empathy, kindness and responsibility, and the involvement in household chores and caregiving. Setting the table and tidying up shared spaces, participating in meal preparation, alleviating parents' workload, and fostering shared responsibility. Taking on more significant roles, running errands and helping with grocery shopping, assisting with caregiving and enhancing emotional intelligence. Instills a sense of achievement and confidence, nurtures qualities like empathy and teamwork, and contributes to a harmonious family environment. Eases parents' workload, strengthens the bond between generations, and brings pride and satisfaction. Nurturing character and learning life skills, preparing for adulthood responsibilities, and the importance of positive contribution to community. Strengthening family bonds and passing on valuable lessons, fostering a nurturing environment across generations, and learning compassion, empathy, and responsibility. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look and see if you can use any of these. Integral part of upbringing. Cultivate strong bonds. Altruism and responsibility. Dynamics of parent-child relationships. Shared responsibility. Alleviate parents' workload. Emotional intelligence. Accommodate others' needs. Harmonious family environment. Nurturing environment. Acts of kindness. Confidence in capabilities. Strengthen the bond between generations. Mutual support. Valuable lessons of compassion. Foster a sense of belonging. Nurtures qualities. Offers numerous benefits. Enhances emotional intelligence. Cultivates. Reaps rewards. Prepares for the challenges. Strengthens the bond. Fosters a nurturing environment. Carries forward valuable lessons. Taking on significant roles. Assists parents. Run errands. Help with grocery shopping. Assist in taking care, and contribute positively. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Have a go at home putting some of these into your own words. Should parents give incentives to their children for helping others? What advantages are there to children helping their parents? In what ways can children assist their parents? Do parents support their children because they need to rely on their help in their old age? And then paraphrasing statements. Also have to go putting some of these into your own words. Children's aid to parent can lead to both parties experiencing benefits. Supporting parents goes beyond household chores. Children can contribute in diverse ways. The reason behind parents helping their children, particularly during their senior years, is often passionate. Parents often contemplate whether rewarding their children for aiding others is necessary. And lastly, paraphrasing descriptions, which you're on your own for. As always, thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.